I think it's safe to say we could all use a little more floor space, and a little more space for our knickknacks. With that in mind, I've been looking at some projects from the wonderful creators at Esty. A lot of these hanging tables use the macrame craft, and as such, a set of instructions with multiple knots is included at the end of this video. Let's check out these hanging tables and shelves. Repurpose a garment rack and use 3 records to make these unique hanging shelves. This one is just your basic macrame knot tied in a similar fashion to a plant hanger. If you've not seen my macrame video, I'll link it in the description and at the end of this video. It's an easy step-by-step video that will take you less than 5 minutes to master the craft of macrame. Make a 2-tier hanging table by drilling 3 holes in each tabletop to secure your twine. This glass and macrame hanging table use a metal, wood, or plastic ring to set the glass on perfectly. You can usually get glass cut at your local hardware store. These hanging shelves only use 1 hook each for less damage to your walls. In addition, they'll give any room a more organic look.
Till I've shared it with you. Don't back down. You know what we have found. I'm begging you.
This hanging table is really unique, using a slice of tree for the tabletop. If you got some fun ideas out of this video, please be sure to hit the thumbs up because it really helps the channel. In addition, be sure to subscribe so you stay up to date with crafty, furniture refurbishing, wig reviews, fashion videos, and much more creative content. Have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video on the screen and in my next post. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out!